How to recover deleted photos on Snapchat My Eyes Only. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Snapchat application. After that, tap on the left corner and go to your profile icon. Now, from the top right corner, go to settings. Scroll down and then go to help center. Search for My Eyes Only. Now, here you will be able to see how you can access to your deleted photos on your Snapchat My Eyes Only. If it does not work, you can directly contact Snapchat support center via email or their support link and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.